In this video, I will show you how to exclude branded terms in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. Next, go to the left side of your screen. Pop out the menu list, scroll down, and click on Keyword Magic Tool. You will then be redirected to the Keyword Magic Toolboard. In the search bar at the middle of the screen, type in a keyword, for example, social media, and click Search. Once your list of keyword appears, look at the row of options on top and find Exclude Keywords. Click on it and you can now type in the specific branded terms or words you want to exclude from your search results. This helps you filter your keyword list to focus only on non-branded or generic terms that better match your SEO goals. And that's how to exclude branded terms in SEMrush.